Hello, my name is Katie Pearson, Project Manager of the California Phenology Network, and I'm here to share about new developments in the herbarium community that have created and made accessible scores of standardized phenological data. As I'm sure you already know since you're watching the Inspire session, plant phenological events are important drivers of activity in ecosystems, impacting the availability of nutrients and habitats for plant communities and directly influencing plant fitness. A critical but only recently harnessed source of phenological data is herbarium specimens. Each herbarium specimen represents a snapshot of a plant's phenological status at a certain place and a certain time. In aggregate, these snapshots can help us understand changes in plant phenological events, how these vary among taxa and locations, and how these events may impact their communities and ecosystems when coupled with additional data. Aggregation of phenological data from herbarium specimens is greatly accelerated by digitization, making analog data digital by imaging and transcribing specimen data. The California Phenology Network is one of many large-scale digitization projects springing up across the globe. We are an NSF-funded collaboration of 22 California herbaria aiming to digitize nearly 1 million specimens from the California flora. The CAP network is unique, however, in our goal of additionally capturing phenological data for these million specimens. Phenological data from herbarium specimens can come in several forms, including descriptions of reproductive structures or phenological events on specimen labels, and images of the specimens themselves showing different phenological stages. These data had previously been captured in heterogeneous, unstandardized ways in a number of different fields, making it difficult to use or share the data, or integrate herbarium-based phenological data with other data sources. To overcome this, the CAP network has built a simple scoring schema that captures and stores phenological data in a standardized way. The scoring schema uses a standard vocabulary with hierarchical relationships between terms. The terms in the schema are aligned with terms in the plant phenology ontology, a standardized structured vocabulary that was created so that phenological data from disparate sources, such as observational and specimen-based data, can be joined together. We have built tools in our data portal software, Symbiota, that enable users to score specimens from their images as the specimen is transcribed, or taxon by taxon in an image scoring module. We have also developed a tool that scores specimen data from text descriptions, so a user can quickly score all specimens with a description of flowers red to mean flowers present, for example. As a result, over 1.3 million of our records in CCH2 currently have associated standardized phenological data. We are now developing ways to search for and visualize these data, but in the meantime, they can be downloaded along with their specimen records as a Darwin Core measurement or fact file. For example, we can search by a specific taxon, click the Download button, and select Include Occurrence Trait Attributes to download the measurement or fact file along with the specimen data. The resulting measurement or fact file contains information about the scoring event, including the ID of the specimen, the phenological measurement applied to the specimen, who scored the specimen, what tool they used to score it, and the plant phenology ontology term to which the score corresponds. Each scoring event, whether reproductive or flowers present, is stored as a separate line. An R script for combining the measurement or fact file with the main specimen data file is available on our website. Better tools for accessing and visualizing the thousands of phenological data points in our portal are forthcoming, but this first step in creating a phenological scoring schema for herbarium specimens will help future digitization efforts and research projects create and store phenological data in a more standardized, interoperable, and sustainable way. Visit our data portal to explore the over 3 million specimen records currently available, and check out our project website for more resources and news about phenological research using herbarium specimens. We want to hear from you so we can make our data the most useful and accessible to all. Keep in touch and stay tuned for updates.